Welcome to a world of handmade calmness and creativity where burlap jute craft brings simplicity, mindfulness, and timeless beauty to your home. Today we will explore the benefits of burlap and jute wall hanging decorations, how they beautify your space, connect you to nature, and bring mindfulness into your everyday life. Burlap and jute too are the natural fibers that carry the warmth of the earth and the touch of human hands. They are not just materials, they are stories of simplicity, sustainability, and soul. When you use jute or burlap in wall hangings, table decor, or art, you bring a feeling of calmness, grounding, and nature inspired elegance into our surrounding. Their warm tones and rustic textures make any home feel cozy, welcoming, and alive. From simple braided hanging to detailed macrame and X-Mix themed designs, burlap and jute crafts bring a handmade harmony that no factory-made decor can replace. Let's explore how these beautiful crafts create both visual beauty and mental well-being. Burlap and jute are fully natural, biodegradable, and renewable. Choosing them means you are helping reduce plastic and synthetic waste, taking one small but meaningful step toward a greener planet. Natural home aesthetics. Their soft beach cream and earthy tones create a gentle harmony. They blend easily with any interior style, rustic boho minimalist or modern. Every wall hanging brings a soft texture that soothes the eyes and warm a heart. These craft these craft prove that sustainable art can also be stunning. You decorate beautifully without humanity the environment and harming the environment. Handmade energy and emotions, each jute craft carries the maker's time, patience, and love. That handmade touch fills your space in warmth and authenticity, turning ordinary walls into soulful art. Durable and long lasting. Jute and burlap are strong fibers that last for years with simple care. A gentle dewering or light cleaning keeps them fresh and elegant for every season. The mindful of crafting with burlap and jute. Crafting with your hands is not just a hobby, it's a form of meditation. When you weave, knot, or design using jute and burlap, you focus, breathe slowly, and let your thoughts gently settle. Every motion of your hands becomes a rhythm of calmness. It helps you reduce stress and anxiety, increase concentration, express creativity freely, stay present in the moment. As you create a wall hanging or decorate with burlap, flowers, and ribbons, you are not just making art, you are making peace with yourself. This is the mindfulness through creation, a connection between your hands, your heart, and nature. Let's talk about how jute and burlap products can bring value and joy to your daily life. Natural ambience. Natural ambience. These crafts transform dull wall into natural art. They make your home feel calm, balanced, and peaceful. Perfect for relaxation and meditation corners. Perfect for all seasons. Jute and burlap crafts suit every time of year. 8 pine cones and bells for Xmas flowers for spring, or shells for summer decor. A handmade jute wall hanging or burlap art piece makes a beautiful, meaningful gift. It shows thoughtfulness, creativity, and care. Something personal and lasting. Support for artisans. When you buy a share handmade jute crafts, you support local crafters, women entrepreneur, and eco artists. Every piece you purchase helps keeps traditional artistry alive. Mindful business opportunity. Burlap and jute craft can also become a small business or online store idea. Some people around the world love eco-friendly handmade decor, so your creativity can also grow into the mindful business venture. Decorating with burlap and jute isn't just about design, it's about living slowly, naturally, and gratefully. Each piece reminds us to appreciate simple things, the feel of rough texture, the scent of natural fibers, and the beauty of imperfections that make handmade art so human. Mindful decor isn't loud, it whispers peace, and that's exactly what burlap and jute brings. A silent elegance that connects your home with nature and your heart with calmness. So, next time you see a handmade jute wall hanging, remember it's more than decoration, it's a breath of nature, a touch of peace, and a symbol of mindful living. Bring burlap and jute crafts into your home and let every corner tell a story of creativity, calmness, and care. Thank you for joining us today, Mindful Craft Journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hand decor, inspiration, and keep art that heal your heart and home. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you so much for everything. You commenting on my channel, and thank you so much for supporting us. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. May your home fulfilled with craft. Keep invest time with your children and let them do what they want to do and keep crafting and keep something doing special and make your own brand. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Wishing you a very, very happy holiday, very happy festival craft.